Let's start with pavers. Pavers are individual stone, concrete, or brick units installed over a prepared base. The installation usually begins with excavating the area and adding a compacted layer of gravel or crushed stone. A layer of sand is then spread on top to help level the pavers. Once the pavers are placed in the desired pattern, the joints are filled with sand to lock them in place. Pavers are known for their strength and stability. Because each piece interlocks with the others, they can handle regular foot traffic without shifting too much. Now let's talk about decomposed granite. Decomposed granite, often called DG, is a natural material made from weathered rock that has broken down into small gravel-like particles. For pathways, the area is first cleared and leveled, then a base layer is compacted. After that, the decomposed granite is spread and compacted to create a firm surface. Decomposed granite pathways offer a natural, rustic look that blends well with gardens and landscaping. They are generally more affordable and quicker to install compared to pavers. However, over time, the material can shift, scatter, or develop small ruts, especially in areas with heavy foot traffic or frequent rain. This means occasional raking, topping off, and recompacting may be needed to keep the pathway looking neat. So, which is better for yard pathways?